So, if you're a performance marketer, you will understand it well that you can have a long term relationship with your client only when you have certain good practices which can help your clients saving money. Now, this is what I have done for my client. My client was earlier using Zapier, and now, after this particular automation which I have created at no cost, this is actually helping, or I would say, creating a magic. How? Let me just tell you. So, what this tool does, for example, let's say you are running a paid advertisements on Meta or Google or any LinkedIn campaign you are running. Now you should understand that leads once captured, then only it is effective. For example, when customer enter their name, email address, phone number, and click the button submit, then only the lead is captured. But this automation, without clicking on submit button, the lead is automatically being captured in this particular Excel sheet. So the moment every hit is happening on the website, so this is being captured here. Now what it does, it remove the duplication, I'll tell you later. And after that, it is sending a telegram message to the client that this lead has been captured. And then another thing, as soon as the lead is captured, it goes into this mechanism which is drafting a email with the help of Google Gemini. So this is basically a user generated email. I'll show you the copy as well. And then once the email is crafted, then it will update the status in the same Excel sheet whether the email has been sent or not. So this automation is actually free of cost. Now, if you want to learn how to do it, I can tell you, or I can teach you well in just 1 hour, and then you can share this with your client if you are running paid advertisements or lead campaign for that without submitting the lead. The lead is being captured. Let me show you. So you can see these are the leads. If you are interested in learning this kind of automation at no cost, and if you are running paid advertisements for your client, you can easily sell this kind of automation to your client at very nominal cost, or maybe for a long-term relationship, because this is actually helping real business owner. So if you're a digital marketer, this is the best thing for you. If you are really interested in learning this kind of automation, I have scheduled a master class on this Saturday at 12:30 p.m. 12:30 बजे जो हम मिलेंगे, and we'll do it live on your system. It is not a recorded video, it is a live automation. I am doing it for my client and I'll show you. DM me right now.